How to hack a hand-cranked flashlight for emergency power. A free source of emergency power, a hand-cranked flashlight. These are the flashlights that don't require batteries. You just crank the handle to generate electricity, and it lights 3 bright LEDs. This article demonstrates how to make use of such a flashlight to power a cell phone, mobile, or other small powered appliance in preparation for an emergency. Steps. 1. Take apart the flashlight with care. Inside you will find a small hand-cranked generator and some button cells that generate power. 2. Obtain a 12-volt car adapter. Ensure that it fits the item that you want to charge, for example, a cell phone. Cut the end off, leaving the end that plugs into the phone or other appliance. 3. Check the polarity. 4. Solder the wires of the 12-volt adapter to the 2 button cell contacts. See warnings. 5. Cut a notch in the plastic of the flashlight to fit the cable. Seal up the flashlight. 6. Put the connector in and see if it will charge your cell phone or other appliance. Crank the flashlight. 7. Look for the charging symbols on your phone. Try other appliances, such as a PDA. Tips. When cranking the flashlight, it will generate over 4 volts. Warnings. Do not try this on any appliance or electronic you're not willing to risk losing. Soldering to a battery can be dangerous. Make sure you take precautions before doing this. Things. Flashlight with crank handle. 12-volt car adapter, used as fine. Wire cutters. Soldering equipment. Appliance such as mobile phone, PDA for testing.